What I love most about my course is how creative it is.
We get to experiment with all types of media and learn from lecturers who are passionate and experienced.
I've really enjoyed working with a range of professional equipment like 16mm film and the newest Adobe software.
Media Services is our place to borrow all of the kit that ARU has, from an ARRI Alexa LF Mini all the way to a Bluetooth speaker. The studio spaces and equipment on offer here are completely unaffordable in the real world as a student.
I've had so many opportunities at ARU. The Cambridge Film Festival and the Water Spray Festival were a highlight.
I'm most proud of an advert I made for the Kodak Nahimi competition, which won Best Advert at the awards ceremony.
The best thing to come out of this degree for me was my graduation film, Saturday Night Butch, because it was so much fun to make and we got into Cambridge Film Festival and Leeds International Film Festival. Just throw yourself in, university is what you make of it.